Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's BerryFae here doing this awesome, beautiful spring eye makeup look. I really hope you enjoy watching this video because I had so much fun creating this look. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, my eyebrows are already on. Next, I'm going to take some tape and I'm going to adjust it and put it diagonally across my eye just so that when I put my eyeshadows it is very sharp. And I'm using concealer to go ahead and prime my eyes. This is a NYX concealer. You can get it at Ulta or anywhere else. I'm going to be using the Crayon Cases Yellow Banana Powder in the color Y, and I'm going to place it all over my face. Next, I'm going into the Box of Crayons palette and using Tan as my transition / base color. This color is pretty much a skin tone color. You always want to start off with a neutral color as your base so that every color you put on top builds up. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this brown and just deepen up the outer part of the eye just so that it has a little bit more life and sass. Now I'm going into the Watch Me blush palette, also from the Crayon Case Company, and I'm taking this color Hot Cocoa and I'm literally focusing it only on the outer corner because that's where I want my drama to be, on the eye, on the outer corners. I am going in with LA Girl Pro Concealer. I can't remember the name, but I'll probably list it down below. And what I'm just doing is I'm applying the concealer on top of my lid to go ahead and crease my eye. And I'm not going all the way across to the edge of the eye. I'm literally just going to do half of the eye because that's the look I was going for. And as you can see, the concealer is a little bit dry. I forgot to, repump it. Next, I'm taking Strawberry Cream eyeshadow in the Watch Me blush palette. So this is an actual blush, not an eyeshadow. And I find that whenever you have shimmer or glitter eyeshadows, it works 10 times, 1,000 times better with your fingers for these type of shadows. If the shadow seems to be creamy and not being picked up by a brush, most likely it'll work perfectly with your finger. So I'm using literally 3 different colors with 3 different fingers and just tapping it in and reapplying it a second coat. And now I'm just going ahead and blend out the edge just so that it's not harsh, and reapplying some of the outer corner color. Next, I'm doing the other eye. As you can see, the same concept. Applying the concealer only on half of the eye. Dipping my finger in the cream blushes and just tapping it right on top of the concealer. It's going to stick on the concealer. Next, I'm taking Wet n Wild's waterproof liner. This liner is legit waterproof. I tried not to use it because it takes about 2 full days for it to actually really come off, and that's with using makeup wipes and makeup removers and all that stuff. This thing is literally heavy duty, and you can find it at any drugstore or grocery store. I'm just doing a cat eye. Looks good. I'm going to move in with Cobbler and put that underneath my brow bone just to give it a little bit of color. We're going to move on to the face. I'm not going to focus too much on the face part because this is all about the eyes, but I am using some affordable drugstore products, which I will list down below. So I came back just so I can show you guys this part. Lately I have been having to mix foundations because my skin color has just been changing from working outside in the sun. And I'm using this NYX foundation drops, which works really good, and especially when you're in hot climates, it doesn't sweat really at all. And yeah, it's been a really good foundation for me lately. I just think I'm gonna have to get a tad bit darker color during these next couple of months in the summer. Moving back into a Morphe palette, and I'm going to use that to contour, and going back into the blush palette for my highlight. Next, I'm taking these lashes called Martinique, which I purchased from Mia Minx. I will link her down on Instagram and Facebook. Her lashes are bomb, and I can't wait to use these again. They last about, I think, 9+ uses. I'm not totally sure, but just know they're bomb mink lashes, and I absolutely love them. Next, I'm going to take a glitter liner and just go ahead and carve out the front crease of the eye just to add a little bit more extra to this look. I'm just using it as a eyeliner slash cut crease. I'm also going to take that same glitter and go ahead and then put it on the wing of my wing liner, and that'll be it for the eye look. So that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching this. I really had fun filming this. If you would please just go ahead and comment down below and let me know the next makeup look that you want to see, and I'll get straight to it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, on Snapchat, on Facebook. I'll leave all my handles down below. Bye!